Today we are going to repair a Vivo T2x 5G smartphone. In this video, I will show you how to replace the display step by step. Watch the full video carefully before doing this repair. First, switch off the phone completely. Always make sure the phone is powered off before opening. Now remove the SIM tray from the phone. Next, we are going to remove the back panel. Put a small amount of IPA liquid around the back side of the phone. This helps to loosen the glue. Do not use too much liquid. Just a small amount is enough. Now use a plastic card to open the back cover. Insert the card slowly in the gap. Move the card around the sides carefully. Do not use force. If you use force, the back panel may break. Now the back panel is removed. Next step is removing the screws. Remove all the screws one by one. Keep the screws safe. Next, place the camera protective sticker properly. This helps to keep the camera clean. Next, remove the frame. Use a plastic tool and lift the frame slowly. Be careful while removing the frame. Do not damage any flex cable. After removing the frame, first disconnect the fingerprint flex. Next, disconnect the battery flex. Always disconnect the battery before doing any work. Now disconnect the display flex cable. Next step is removing the battery. Lift the battery slowly and carefully. Remove the battery without damage. Now we can remove the display. Apply little heat on the front side. Or use a small amount of IPA around the display. Now use a plastic card. Insert it slowly between the frame and display. Move the card around the sides. Slowly lift the display. Do not pull fast. Remove the display carefully. Now the old display is removed. Next step is cleaning the frame. Remove all old glue from the frame. Clean the frame properly. If the frame is not clean, the new display will not fit correctly. Now apply gum around the frame. Apply evenly on all sides. Do not put too much gum. Now take the new display. First, connect the display flex cable. Now place the display in the frame. Press slowly on all sides. Make sure the display is fitted properly. Now fix the battery in position. Connect the display flex. Connect the battery flex. Connect the fingerprint flex. Now place the frame. Put rubber bands around the phone. And keep it for 10 minutes. This helps the display glue to set properly. After 10 minutes, remove the rubber bands. Now fix all the screws properly. Next, apply gum on the back panel. Put gum around the edges. Now place the back panel. Press gently on all sides. Make sure it is closed properly. Now switch on the phone. Now the Vivo T2x 5G display replacement is complete. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.